In front of me is HONOR X7d, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by locating Clock app that's already on your device and tapping on it. Now choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner. And when you're ready, this plus icon at the bottom in the middle. Now it's time to set up an hour at the top. Then my favorite part, adjusting all of those options to create perfect alarm. Let's start by tapping on days of the week. I will go with Mondays and Fridays. Then click on Sound section and start by tapping on Vibration at the top. Here you can either pick one of those vibration patterns for your incoming alarm. You can pick Standard Vibration at the top, or even disable them by hitting None at the bottom. Then go back. Choose Music on device if you want to pick a song from your HONOR and apply it. To do that, find it here and use Apply button on the right. Or you can pick one of those melodies the same way. Whatever you decided, when you're done, go back. Now click on Label and label your alarm however you want to, if you want to. And save its name by choosing OK. Tap on Ring Duration to decide how many minutes your alarm will ring if you don't react. And my personal favorite from this section, Snooze Duration. Thanks to those two sliders, you can adjust how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. Then choose OK to apply those changes. To save your new alarm, use this check mark at the top right corner. So when I tap, as you can see, mine was successfully created. Now, to turn it on or off, use this switcher right next to it and pick one of those options in the pop-up. You can turn it on by clicking on the same, now gray switcher. You can also tap on your alarm and adjust it again. Change whatever you want to, and to save your changes, click on this check mark at the top right corner again. To discard them, use this X at the top left one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Most people miss that you can always click on your alarm to access the Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!